Most people focus on what to say, but they forget that their body is saying something too. And when your words and your body, they don't match, people believe your body. So if you want to speak with confidence, you can't just work on your voice. You have to pay attention to your presence. And let me show you 3 ways to use body language that strengthens your words without looking fake or looking forced. Number 1, stand still to stand to sound strong. When people get nervous, they fidget, they tapping fingers, swaying side to side, constant adjusting. But here's the secret. Stillness equals strength. Try this next time. Plant your feet, shoulder width apart. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Let your hands rest naturally at your sides or lightly in front of you. This kind of helps ground your energy. You don't need to freeze. Just stop leaking your energy. Stillness shows you're comfortable in your space. And when you look grounded, people listen longer. Number 2, use open gestures to invite connection. If your arms are crossed or your hands are hidden, you might seem closed off, even if you're not. Instead, use open gestures, hands visible. You could put them around waist, around chest level, palms slightly open or angled up. Gestures that gestures that don't match your words will be distracting. So example, when I say something like, I'd like to share something, gently open your palms as if you're offering something forward. Open gestures equals open message. They make people they make people feel welcomed, not pushed away. Number 3, make eye contact that steadies, not stares. Eye contact is powerful, but there's a balance. Too little and you seem unsure. Too much and you seem intense or aggressive. Here's the goal. Look at someone while making a key point to break away naturally and then return. Think connection, not control. Your eyes don't just deliver a message, they invite others into it as well. So let's recap all this. Here's how to use your body language to speak with strength. Stand still to sound strong. Open gestures to connect. Make steady, relaxed eye contact. Words matter, but how you carry them, that's what people actually do remember. Your voice doesn't start with your mouth. It starts with your posture, your presence, your eyes, your calm. Comment below. What body language habit are you working on this year? And if you haven't already, subscribe to Speak Up Daily for weekly tools to help you communicate with clarity, confidence, and calm strength.